Homemade Greek Chicken Tomato Rice Bowl Salad Recipe. Hi everyone! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we're making a delicious Greek chicken tomato rice bowl salad. It's perfect for a summer vacation dish and super affordable for beginners. This recipe is full of fresh flavors and healthy ingredients. Plus, you can make it in just a few simple steps. So, grab your ingredients, and let's get cooking. First, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need for this tasty dish. 1. Chicken breast. 1 pound, boneless, skinless, and cut into bite-sized pieces. 2. 1 cup, any variety you prefer. We'll be using white rice for this recipe. 3. Tomatoes, 2 medium-sized, diced into small cubes. 4. Cucumber, 1 large, peeled and diced into small cubes. 5. Red onion, 1 small, finely chopped. 6. Feta cheese, ½ cup, crumbled for added flavor. 7. Kalamata olives, ½ cup, pitted and sliced. 8. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons, for cooking the chicken and dressing the salad. 9. Lemon juice, 2 tablespoons, freshly squeezed. 10. Garlic, 2 cloves, minced. 11. Oregano, 1 teaspoon, dried oregano for that classic Greek flavor. 12. Salt and black pepper, to taste. 13. Fresh parsley, 1/4 cup, chopped, for garnish. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, let's move on to the cooking steps. First, let's cook the rice. In a pot, add 2 cups of water for every cup of rice. Bring it to a boil, add a pinch of salt, then add the rice. Reduce the heat, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes until the rice is tender and the water is absorbed. Once the rice is cooked, fluff it with a fork and set it aside. While the rice is cooking, let's prepare the chicken. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté for a minute until fragrant. Then, add the chicken pieces. Season them with dried oregano, salt, and black pepper to taste. Cook the chicken until it's golden brown and cooked through, which should take about 6 to 8 minutes. Once done, set the chicken aside to cool. Now, let's prepare the fresh vegetables for the salad. Dice the tomatoes and cucumber into small cubes. Finely chop the red onion. Set these aside in a large mixing bowl. In the same mixing bowl, add the cooked chicken, crumbled feta cheese, and sliced Kalamata olives. These ingredients add so much flavor to the salad. Now, let's make the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, salt, and black pepper to taste. This simple dressing will tie all the flavors together. Pour the dressing over the salad ingredients in the mixing bowl. Add the cooked rice to the bowl as well. Gently toss everything together until well combined. Make sure every bite is filled with flavor. We're almost done. For the final touch, garnish the salad with some freshly chopped parsley for a burst of color and freshness. This Greek chicken tomato rice bowl salad is ready to be served. And there you have it. A delicious and healthy Greek chicken tomato rice bowl salad perfect for summer. It's easy to make, affordable, and full of vibrant flavors. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. I hope you give this recipe a try and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more multi-recipes and cookeries. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel.